Ready?
Action.
Hi, this is Altea. Today we're doing an experiment. If you're asking why there's a bowl of water, because we're going to throw it up in the air, and I think it's going to turn into ice, because it's like 0 or 3 Fahrenheit. I mean,
-3.
-3 or 0 Fahrenheit.
Okay, move.
And so I'm going to stand up here while she throws it up.
Are you ready?
Yes. Whoa. That was really cool.
It didn't do anything.
What is this supposed to do?
It didn't do anything.
It vaporizes.
That is stupid.
Well, it still landed on the ground.
Some of it vaporized.
What?
That's what the cloud was.
That's weird.
And it's really
That
cool.
was not as exciting as I thought it was going to be.
Why am I so hilarious?
It's not.